say they always felt like strangers. Kisitu was abandoned by his parents when he was 12. Italian missionaries in Mogadishu took him into their care. He remembers a life of humiliation.
Disprezzati, cioè gente bassa che non vale, cioè che non può, gente bassa che non è intelligente, che non può dirigere niente.
In his mid-40s, he was reunited with his parents. But when the war erupted in Somalia in the 90s, the family had to flee. Kisutu sent his wife and 3 daughters away. He didn't want to seek asylum in just any country. He wanted to move to the land of his ancestors, to Tanzania. Kisutu remained behind to take care of his sick parents. The separation from his family lasted 9 years.
E allora ho detto ai miei bambini, la moglie, la mia famiglia, ho detto di andare, di mettersi in fuga nel Kenya fino in Tanzania, specialmente se riusciva ad andare fino alla Tanzania perché là c'è il paese, il paese d'origine.
Esther's return to Tanzania with only her children was difficult. On the journey, she was imprisoned, but she persevered. There was no turning back.
Miaka gramo Tanzania. Silisikia kutoka Somalia. Nikengire mwe Kenya. Niona bula haka Tanzania niona kubwa na kubwa mwezi na siku 5. Na wanu ya Somalia na kisimeme rasi kubwa kwa kundo karibu. Niona ngangania mpaka nipate Tanzania. Nikengire mwe Tanzania na nisikia uhuru.
When she arrived in Tanzania, UNHCR helped her survive. She made ends meet, but everything changed when her husband finally was able to join.
Niacha napata moyo ambao kazija na kadama ni uwezo wake na ni mdogo kwangu, sina uwezo, sina nguvu, napata myangu kunisukuma. Basi niona ngira kupata hima ndio ya kujamani yangu ili nipate maendeleo.
Kisitu and Esther, along with 3,000 other Somali Bantus, returned to Tanzania as refugees. At first, they settled in a camp. Then the government allocated them plots of land. This year, they were granted Tanzanian nationality.
È una gioia. Infatti quando mi è andato il documento di nazionalità tanzaniana, davanti a tutti l'ho preso e l'ho baciato, ho preso anche una porzione di terra, l'ho baciato così quasi quasi volevo ingoiarlo dalla felicità. Ho saputo che sono ritornato in casa mia e mi considero, ho dimenticato tutto quello che mi è passato in Somalia.
Life here is not easy. Poverty is rampant in Chogo, and land is the only asset Kisutu has. But that matters less